In the face of climate change and man-made challenges, safeguarding the island's environment is now a priority more than ever. In celebration of World Wetlands Day, on Monday, members of the National Environment and Planning Agency hosted a cleanup day in Parrotee, St. Elizabeth, in one of the hardest-hit communities in the parish. Denita Rodney was on site, and she tells us more.
Minister of Water, Environment and Climate Change Matthew Samuda says the damaged wetlands offer a snapshot of the wider environmental impact left behind by Hurricane Melissa.
It's a very difficult thing to absorb because the scale of the damage is unprecedented. It's unlike anything that I've certainly ever seen or experienced. And for us, we think it is particularly important. Though World Wetlands Day globally is celebrating heritage, for us, we think it's important that we use the day to recommit not just to the people but to their environment, so that they're clear that we will restore this area. We will restore the areas that are affected, because it's particularly important that we understand the relationship between those who live here and the environment in which they live.
The Environment Minister says the cleanup marks only the first step in the wider effort to restore the wetlands.
Today's effort is really to start the process of removing the debris and bulk waste from the wetlands, which obviously affects hydrological flow, it affects coastal stability. So it's very important that we start the process of removing the waste so that we're able to restore these wetlands over time through varying initiatives, including our relief initiative, including other replanting initiatives that NEPA will lead on also.
Member of Parliament and Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining Floyd Green applauded the team for coming together in a united effort to restore the wetlands.
Just as we are moving to ensure that we restore shelters, just as we're moving to ensure that we restore businesses, it is critical that we move to ensure that we restore our wetlands. And as such, today marks a significant step forward in that regard. And again, I commend NEPA, I commend Minister Sabuda for understanding that this has to be elevated and has to be as important as restoring everything else.
Whitney Smith Curry, Community Relations Officer at SPM and SWMA, one of NEPA's partner agencies, talks about why getting involved in the cleanup was so important.
As St. Elizabeth was devastated by Hurricane Melissa, I think this initiative, partnering with NEPA, would be very important for the recovery process. I'm here with the team and we decided to come on board because Parrotee is one of the worst in Southwest St. Elizabeth at the moment. And this is not a one-day initiative, this is a long-term initiative, and all agencies should come together and make this recovery process better.
The day also saw community members join the effort, rolling up their sleeves to take part in the cleanup activities. On this World Wetlands Day, the message is clear. Protecting our wetlands isn't just about conservation. It's about rebuilding our communities and resilience for the future. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Denita Rodney.